So in this video, I'll be showing you how to type in a circle in Adobe Photoshop. So I have my design over here and I'll be adding my text in a circle form onto my design. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The first thing that we'll be doing is to add a guide so that we can see the middle part of our worksheet. So what I'll do is I'll go to view, guides, and then new guide layout. Now make sure that the column number is 2 and then the row number is also 2 and select OK. Now this is the middle part of our worksheet. But there is another way. Let me show you the other way. So I'll press Ctrl Z to undo. So with the other way, we need to add rulers. So to add the ruler in Adobe Photoshop, all you need to do is to press Ctrl R to bring out the rulers, and also right click in the ruler and make sure that you select percent. So this way you see that it starts from 0% to 100%. So in order to locate the middle part, you just have to find where the 50 is. So here's the 50. So it means this is the 50% of this whole worksheet. So you can just left click and hold and drag it here to locate the middle. That's the 50%. Let's do the same thing for the horizontal side, but then you don't have to drag it from the top. You can still drag it from the left side, but then when you want to turn it, just hold down the Alt key and then it will turn the line for the guide for you, and then just place it here. So now we've seen the middle part of our worksheet. So the next thing to do is to select the ellipse shape of the ellipse tool over here, but maybe yours isn't on ellipse tool, but then maybe it's showing the rectangle tool over here. So to select the ellipse tool, just right click on it and then select ellipse tool. Now after selecting the ellipse tool, make sure that this side is on path and not shape. So make sure that this side is on path. Then left click and hold and drag. Hold down the Alt key to create a circle, but then the circle isn't a perfect circle. And to make it a perfect circle, just hold down the Shift key too as well and just drag it this way. I think this is okay, so I'll go ahead and release everything. Now we have our path drawn over here. Now let's select the type tool and then let's type on our path over here. So right click on the type tool and select horizontal type tool. After selecting the horizontal type tool, you can see that whenever we place the mouse on our path, the cursor changes to a squiggly wavy line. So when I place it on the edge of the path, the cursor changes to a squiggly wavy line. So when it turns to that kind of icon, just click on it and then add your text. So I'll be adding the text Roosevelt, like Roosevelt Multimedia. So something like this. Then you can go ahead and highlight everything. Maybe if you want to change the color, just click here and then you can give it any color of your choice, but then I'll be going with the white color. So I'll just click and drag it here for me to get a white color, and then the color code for white is FFFFFF and select OK. Maybe if you want to change the font style too, you can change it over here. Maybe the font size too, you can also change it over here like this. Then just select this. Now we've written our text. So this text will be the one at the top, and then we'll be adding another one at the bottom. So with this text layer selected, right click here and select path selection. Now click and hold and drag this thing down. Then click and hold here and drag it this way. Now let's increase the size of our text. You can go to window and select character to bring out the character panel over here. Now just click here once and use your top arrow key, the up arrow key, to increase the size of the text. So I think let me go with something like 34. Okay, let's maintain the 35 over here. Then I'll click and drag this. Then let me reduce the spaces in between just a little. So now I have my top text ready. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the text. Click here to turn off the visibility of one of the text layers. Make sure the top text layer is selected. So that will be the bottom text layer. So what I'll do is I'll right click here and select the path selection tool. Now I'll click and hold and drag the text and place it at the opposite end. Click and hold again and drag it inside like this. Now let's turn on the visibility of our first text layer. So with the first text layer, which is this one, you can see that the text is in the middle of our shape over here, but then the bottom text isn't in the middle. So in order to align the bottom text to the top text over here, what I will do is you select our character tool, and to locate the character tool, just go to window and then select character. And in the character panel, let's change the baseline. So just click inside once and use the down arrow key to adjust the size over here. So I'll be going with something like minus 26 will be okay for me. I think this is okay. Then I'll select my type tool, click here and highlight the text over there and change it to design agency. Once I'm done, I'll press Ctrl A to select everything once again and click here to center my text. Now I have two texts in a circle form. I have the Roosevelt Multimedia at the top, and then I also have the design agency at the bottom. Okay, so guys, this is how to type in circle in Adobe Photoshop. If you find this video very useful and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and also share with others. In case you have any questions too, you can write them in the comment section and then I will reply you as well.